Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete SHEIN account permanently. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open SHEIN app on your phone and sign into your account. So you want to click on the Me icon in the bottom right corner, and then we're going to click on the cog view in the top right corner this time. So once we have selected this, then we will go to the option to manage my account, and then you will see this option to delete your account. So once we click on it, then we'll need to apply to delete account. So it will ask us for verification, but basically it will tell us that if you want to delete all your personal data, your account will also be deleted. We will send that deletion request to email. Please check. Okay, so you click on there. Now I'm going to check my email address to see if I actually received this message and if I can proceed with my account deletion. So yes, they have sent me an account deletion email. So basically, I see a button here to delete the data. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So it looks like this. Right now, I'm going to select delete data and see if this works. It's going to ask me to log in. Give me a second. So it looks like this. We need to click on I understand, please proceed. Successfully applied. Your data will be deleted within 30 days. So that's it. So that's basically how you can delete SHEIN account permanently. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.